Hi guys, I'm back today with the Quilty Box. This is for July. So let's get this open. I just cut the tape. There we go. Okay, pull this out. Let's see. And we have our Bundles of Inspiration booklet. There's a message from Jake. This tells us what's inside the box. This is the classic Quilty box. There's a few other boxes to choose from as well. This is about the English paper piecing Quilty box. This is our featured artist, Tula Pink. This is a Q&A with her. And this is one of her patterns, Disco Lights. And that's the directions to make that. Then we have a second pattern called Diamond Dust Pillow by Paper Pieces. And in case you didn't know, Quilty Box has a new owner, so that is why the message is from Jake now. And here is Table Runner by Jenny Baker of In Color Order. It's called Crossed Table Runner. Here's a subscriber spotlight and a sneak peek at next month's featured artist. And I do not know how to pronounce his name, so I'm not even going to try because I will butcher it. I know I've tried it once, but I don't think I did it right. So let's get this open. Got our pretty pink tissue paper here for Tula Pink. Ooh, a couple packages of fabric, a keychain, and some thread. We'll start with the thread. This is number 1320, and this is Aurifil. This is Aurifil thread, retails for $4.99, and it's a very pretty blue color. So this is the sewing machine patch. It's by Tula Pink for Renaissance Ribbons, and this retails for $16. Yeah, it's like, looks like it can be ironed on. Looks like it has that stuff on it. So here it is, close up. It's a cute sewing machine. Stick that back in here so we keep it clean. And now this is the sewing machine fob, which is a keychain. And this is out of a hard plastic. And here's the pieces for the keychain. And this retails for $6. And this is the sewing machine fob by Paper Pieces. And let's see, this is about, I'm going to measure. It's about 2 inches. It's about 2 inches this way. So stick that back in the bag. So we don't lose that. And then we have some unicorn head straight pins. And they did give some of these once before, or one of the boxes did. Not this many. Let's see. This is Unicorn Straight Pins by Brewer Sewing, and these retail for $5.99. There's the back. There's a close-up of them. Those are cute. So then we have our fabrics. Let's see here what this one is. I guess this is an exclusive 1-yard bundle of Disco Kitty fabric. It says $12.50, recolored and hand-picked by Tula to release. This exclusive 1-yard cut of Disco Kitty is wrapped around a mini bolt, one of Tula's favorite ways to organize her fabrics. So here's the kitty pattern. So you see the little kitty. And it had this clip on it, which is cool. I could use some of these. Let's see, it says Pals Products. Doesn't say anything about this. This is a cool way to store your fabrics. They're nice and small sized. And this is the board. Let me pull this out. It's plastic. So here's the board. The mini bolt. And this retails for $1.25. And okay, this is the Bolt Buddy, and that retails for 50 cents. So that's kind of cool. It's got a little notch there to hold the fabric. So that's pretty cool. Put that back on there. Put this clip back on. I need to get me some of these clips. These are cool. Okay, now our bundle here. This is the True Colors Fabric Bundle. And a month of the subscription. The Quilty Box is a subscription box. And you can get it in 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. Or you can buy it month to month. It starts at $48 per month. And the more months you get at a time, the less it is. So this is Free Spirit, it says here. And this is the Tula Pink True Colors Fat Quarter, 6-piece fat quarter. Let me kind of slide this off here. I love these colors. Let's see, there's the second one. There's that one. This one's cute. It's got like little birds and stuff on it. There's this one. And this one. And it's kind of got trees on that one. So that is everything in this month's box. The fabric bundle, I don't know if I said, retails for $21. And those are fat quarters. And we have the Tula Pink Disco Kitty fabric, 30 count of the unicorn straight pins, the key fob, and the patch, and the thread. So that is everything, guys. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. And I'll have links down below to everything that I can find if it's all on the site. So I'll see you again. Thanks for stopping by. See ya.